Hi, I am Sanjay Yandamuri, special education teacher, 15 years teaching experience in special school. My education is post-graduation in sociology and diploma in special education. Greetings to you all. I am Sanjay Yandamuri. Simple name is Satya. I did my post-graduation in sociology and diploma in special education for mentally disabled. I have 15 years teaching experience in special school, mainstream school, prison school and rehabilitation center based teaching and training. 8 months teaching experience on quality education in government primary schools. 1 year international teaching experience in United States of America. I would like to tell my motivation to become as a special education teacher. The first reason, personally, I involved one of my nephew in my family. He was a mentally disabled and he suffered from muscular dystrophy. Our family suffered a lot because lack of training centers and supported programs. This situation provoked me to know more information about special needs area. Second reason, during my post-graduation, I had an opportunity to attend Department Disability Survey Program in the year 1989. I saw many mentally disabled children and their families' pathetic conditions. That time, the disabled children and their families have very few facilities in rural India. They miss medical, educational and rehabilitation facilities. There is no Disability Act in India. Some parents used to lock their children at their homes and to go there for work. Others hide their children in the homes because lack of stigma and discrimination. These situations had created an impact on my mind and I started thinking in what way and how I can be helpful to them. I decided that I have a mission to help in mentally disabled area. After completion of my post-graduation, I approached International Rehabilitation Center. I contributed 1 year voluntary service to the mentally disabled children for their skills and training from 1991 to 92. The school committee recommended me for special education training program. Those days, the teacher should write a bond to the school to work 7 years in the school. Then only the special education training admission will get the teachers. In the year 1992 to 93, I successfully completed teacher training program in special education. My personal interest accelerated and motivated me towards learning while demonstration in special needs area. Every day is special to me, applying different kinds of strategies and techniques, interaction with parents and professionals, implementation of classroom rules and procedures, IEP writing and student performance information to the parents. All these reasons I am motivated to choose special education teaching and training will help to grow personally and professionally. I would like to share most difficult experience faced in the school with my students and I processed to behave well in the school as well as in the class. When I was working pre-vocational class teacher, a boy of 14 years of age was admitted in my class along with 7 other students. My class is self-contained. All students have speech and language, behavior and learning problems. They are learning functional academics like reading, writing, arithmetics and life skills. The newly admitted boy is first time to attending to the school. On first day in the middle of the school, the parents dropped him in my classroom. He always harming other students by beating and splitting upon students and teachers. Timeout and overcorrection, classroom rules and procedures was not controlled his behavior. I did functional behavioral assessment and behavior intervention plan. I changed the antecedents but no change in his behavior. According to the findings in functional assessment, he is poor in social skills I started home visit and frequent interaction with parents. With the help of the parents and behavior modification plan, I decreased undesirable behavior and increased sitting tolerance, concentration by giving hands-on activities. The boy is controlled and accepted to sit behind him. Improved his social smile, greeting others. Initially, I applied primary reinforcement to decrease undesirable behavior of splitting, beating others. Improved pegboard making, arranging size boards, sorting colors. Finally, he changed his behavior socially acceptable in the school. This is one of my achievements in my profession. I would like to share my most interesting area is classroom teaching, like functional academics, life skills, training, behavior intervention, preparing IEPs and sports training. I would like to share my hobbies and how it will be helpful to students in America. I am trained in Special Olympics coach. My skills will help to train my students in track and field events. I trained in crisis management. These skills will help to manage the situations in the class and school. I am experienced with yoga and vocal music. If I get the chance to work in America, I will teach my extracurricular activities to my students. This will help to build the rapport with my students and improve their physical fitness, speech and language development. Vocal will help to reduce stuttering and cluttering and also develops simple reading, words and sentences. Yoga will help to find and grasp motor problems. Breathing exercises strengthen lung power, reducing respiratory problems. It develops concentration and relaxation. When the students practice constantly, we can see positive stabilizing effect on mind and emotions. By teaching folk dance and moral stories will help to develop social skills among school students to build the school-friendly atmosphere in the class as well as in the school. Thank you very much for giving wonderful opportunity for share my experiences. Thank you.